The Quran is a remarkable book that contains many verses that are both scientifically accurate and spiritually profound. One such verse is found in Surah An-Nur, verse 40, which describes the depth and darkness of the ocean. The verse reads, "For it is as darkness upon a vast, abysmal sea. There covereth him a wave, above which is a wave, above which are clouds, layer upon layer of darkness. When he holdeth out his hand, he scarce can see it. And he for whom Allah hath not appointed light, for him there is no light." This verse compares the darkness of disbelief to the darkness of the deep ocean. The darkness of the ocean is so thick that if a person were to stretch out their hand, they would barely be able to see it. This is similar to the darkness of disbelief, which is so thick that a person cannot see the truth. The verse also mentions that the darkness of the ocean is layered. This is because there are different depths of darkness in the ocean. The surface of the ocean is relatively bright, but the deeper you go, the darker it becomes. This is similar to the darkness of disbelief, which can be layered. A person may start out with a small amount of disbelief, but as they continue to disbelieve, the darkness of their disbelief will grow. The verse ends by saying that those who do not have the light of Allah will have no light at all. This means that those who do not believe in Allah will be eternally in darkness. This verse is a reminder of the importance of believing in Allah. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth, and those who believe in Him will have light in this life and in the next. It is remarkable that this verse was written 1,400 years ago, long before humans had the technology to explore the depths of the ocean. The description of the darkness of the ocean is so accurate that it is almost as if the author had seen it with their own eyes. This verse is a testament to the scientific accuracy of the Quran. It is also a reminder of the power of Allah's words. Allah is the creator of the universe, and He knows everything about it, including the depths of the ocean. The Quran is a book that is full of wisdom and guidance. It is a book that can help us to understand the world around us and our place in it. The verse on the depth and darkness of the ocean is just one example of the many scientific and spiritual truths that can be found in the Quran.